Hello, lordexitium. So this is a response to your video about doing Star Wars sound effects. I thought that sounded really embarrassing, and what makes for a better video than something embarrassing? You took all the good sound effects, unfortunately, because you took like, I don't know, 7 of them, and they were all good ones, Chewbacca and Jabba and stuff like that. But I was able to think of a few more. So the first one that I really liked is the voice Leia had when she was disguised as the bounty hunter. I need to look at a reference really quick to remember what it sounds like. Yada, yada. The illustrious Jabba bids you welcome and will gladly pay you the reward of 25,000. And then Leia's like, yada, yada. Oh wait. Yada, yada. And there's that annoying little salacious crumb. Oh, the Ewoks. I remember always, when I was younger, talking like the Ewoks. I think, let's see, what did he say with Leia when he's, like, telling her to, like, shut up, there's a stormtrooper near. It's like, Akiata. Akiata. I think that's what he said. Akiata? I don't know. Let me think. Other Star Wars sound effects. Oh, how about Vader's breathing, right? Oh. Yeah, that's like the scuba regulator or whatever. Oh, of course, the Java, right? Oh, Jawas. Houdini! That's their little Houdini! I feel like fool, lordexitium. Thank you very much.